Class 4, Chapter 3, A Day with Nandu. Nandu is an elephant. Let's see the lesson. Nandu woke up and opened his eyes. For a few seconds, he was not sure where he was. It seemed to him that he was surrounded by a forest, a big grey tree trunks. He blinked his eyes and looked around. Oh, there was Amma. The grey forest that he had imagined he was in was actually the legs and the trunk of his family members. This is a small baby elephant. Elephants live in herd. So this little Nandu, when he woke up, he thought he was imagining himself forest. But actually those were the legs of the elephants in a herd. The sun was overhead and it was getting hot. Nanima trumpet made a loud sound. Nanima is mother's mother, okay? Nanima is the oldest in the herd of elephants. She started moving towards the jungle. The other family elephants saw her and started to follow her. Nandu also went with them. Children, elephants always live in a herd. They live in a group. Okay? When they reached the jungle, the members of the herd started spreading out. Each member went to eat her favorite leaves and twigs. After they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. The baby elephants enjoyed playing in the water. Children, you also enjoy playing in the water. Similarly, those baby elephants also enjoyed playing in the water. The mothers lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. In this picture, you can observe elephants splashing water with their trunk. Do you know that an adult elephant can eat more than 100 kilograms of leaves and twigs in one day? Elephants do not rest very much. They sleep only for 2 to 4 hours in a day. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their skin cool. Their big ears also work like fans. The elephants flap this to keep themselves cool. So how many hours does an elephant sleep? It sleeps only 2 to 4 hours. And it loves to play in mud and water. Mud keeps them skin cool. The ear acts as a fan, keeping them cool. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is your weight? Children, your weight may be 25 to 30 kgs or 20 kgs. So you have to weigh yourself and write down the answer here. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? For example, if we take your weight as 25 kg, so 8 children will make the weight of Nandu. So you make a group of 8 children and imagine yourself to be as heavy as Nandu. Let's see a day with Nandu. They play in water. In their trunk, they fill the trunk with water and splash over each other. You all also like to play with your friends, isn't it? Fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sister pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not go near them. What if they fall on me? I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water, as if she was telling him to go and play. Nandu loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head, and he got wet. Oh! This was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. Children, when we play in water, we get more tired, okay? Then we sleep for a longer time. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. You have heard about Nandu, the elephant herd, An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14-15 years old. Then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he is that old. Like elephants, some other animals also live together in groups. These animal groups are called herds. Animals in herds usually move around together, searching for food. If you were Nandu and you lived in a herd, what kind of things would you do? You would enjoy like Nandu, dance, play, eat the whole day long, and you would play with your cousins and then go to sleep with your mom. In the elephant herd, the oldest female decides everything. Who takes decision in your family? In our family, most of the time the decisions are taken by father. Sometimes father, mother, both they take the decision together. So you will write answer according to in your house who is the decision maker. Make a collage of herd of elephant in your notebook. For this, collect as many pictures of elephant that you can. Cut out the elephant and stick them in the notebook. Nandu did things that he liked to do. If you would spend a whole day with your friends, what all would you do? Children, there are many things you can do, so you will write it here. Find out and write which other animals live in herd. Children, you must have seen cows, they live in herd. Deer, zebra, they live in herds. Okay, write down the answer. Do you also live in group? Do you like to live together like that? Why would you like or not? You can write it down here. How do elephants feel when they are kept in chain? Discuss and share. Children, nobody likes to be kept in chain. Have you ever taken a ride on an elephant? How did you feel? Children, you have to write the answer here. If you have taken a ride on elephant, you feel very proud and you feel like a king roaming around. So you will write down the feeling of yours. Which animal have you sat on? Write their names. So you must have gone for a horse ride or a camel ride. You must have seen many animals around you. In books, in movies, some may be alone, some in group. Find out more about any one of this animal and write about it. This is animal safari. Think and write. Why do you think that egret is sitting on the buffalo? See, observe the picture. In the picture you see buffaloes have small insects on their body. This insect, when they bite a buffalo, the egret eats those insects. Have you seen any animal riding on another animal? Write its name. The animal which is riding, the animal which gives ride. Picture of buffalo and egret. So you can write down the answer there. Which animal gives ride? Buffaloes are giving ride to sparrows. Even sparrows sit on the back of an animal. Which animal do we use for riding? We do horse riding, bullock riding, or you can write down. Which animal do we use for carry loads? Elephants are there, donkeys are there. What do they say? Look at the picture and read what these animals are sharing with their friends. Discuss the narrative sensitivity in the class. The snake is saying, the basket is only home I have. I have forgotten what it is like in the open jungle. Fresh air, for me it is only the basket and the snake charmer. So in the last lesson you have read about the snake charmer. You see me in the circus dancing and jumping through rings of fire. You clap and enjoy. Do you think I also enjoy all this? If I do not do this, I will get no food, only get beating. You have only seen how fast I run. Have you seen my shoes? Do you know how much pain I get when they fix the horseshoes on my hooves? They make us dance and dance and dance, even if we don't want to. or we are in pain, that too, with an empty stomach. Meow, meow, meow. I can just roam around everywhere. Children love me a lot. They pat me and also give me milk. Guttergo, Guttergo. Do you know people specially call out to me to feed me with grains? So what do you understand by this children? These animals are all captive animals. I've read what these animals say. Why do you think that they are sad? Because people catch them and use them for their own benefit, and these animals, they want to live. How do you think that they are different? The monkeys that dance to entertain people and monkeys that are free. Now children, you have to compare with the monkeys, that how do people treat them. The monkeys, when they entertain people, they do not have the freedom, as they are caught and used by people for their benefits. But the monkeys that are free in the jungle or in the forest, they can roam about anywhere. They do what they like, and they can go anywhere as they wish. How many legs does this elephant has? Elephant has only 4 legs. Hope children you have enjoyed this lesson. Do you know elephant help each other when in trouble?